Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. Stock trading near resistance can go long above 1124 with stop loss of 7 to 8 points. Breakout of resistance zone can go long above 950 with stop loss of 6 to 7 points. Stock closing below previous support zone can short below 226 with stop loss of 2 points. Flag and pole pattern, if give breakout can go long with stop loss below 3 to 4. Selling pressure seen in last few days can test previous support levels, can short below 347 with stop loss of 2 points. On daily chart stock can try to close above previous highs, can go long above 1050 with stop loss of 7 to 8 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.